What's the meaning of acacia tree? Acacia tree. Acacia tree. Acacia tree. Acacia tree. Acacia tree. Acacia is a genus of shrubs and trees in the subfamily Mimosoideae of the pea family Fabaceae. There are over 1,300 species of acacias, which are found in tropical and subtropical regions of the world, particularly Australia, where they are called wattles, and Africa. Acacias are known for their distinctive thorns, which are often used for protection from herbivores. The flowers of acacias are usually yellow and are often fragrant. Acacias are an important source of food and shelter for many animals, and they are also used for a variety of commercial purposes, including the production of gum arabic, acacia honey, and acacia wood.